Look around you. Really look. What do you see? A sea of people moving in the same direction, following a script that was written decades ago by a society that no longer exists. We've been conditioned to believe that the path to success is a straight line. Get the grades, get the degree, find a stable job, and climb a ladder that someone else built for you. But look at the faces of the people on that ladder. Do they look free? Do they look like they've found the life they actually deserve? Or do they just look tired? Most people aren't living. They are just surviving their own schedules. We've traded our most valuable asset, time, for a false sense of security. In 2026, loyalty to a corporation is often met with a cold email. If you don't own your time, you don't own your life. The math of the modern world is simple but brutal. If you don't find a way to make money work for you while you sleep, you will work until the day you die. This isn't a threat. It's a mathematical certainty. Welcome to the empire. Think about the years you spent in a classroom. You mastered calculus, memorized dates of ancient battles, and learned the laws of physics. All useful for a 20th century factory, but incomplete for a 21st century empire. Did they ever teach you about the hidden tax called inflation? Did they explain how banks use your savings to build their wealth while giving you 0.01% in return? The system is designed to create efficient employees, not financially free individuals. They teach you to fear risk, but in a world of artificial intelligence and rapid change, the biggest risk you can take is playing it safe. They want you to be a good gear in their machine, predictable and dependent. Here, we unlearn the limits. We don't care about your degree, we care about your leverage. While the world is distracted by entertainment, we are focused on the blueprint. Understanding how money moves is the only way to stop it from moving away from you. This channel isn't about get-rich-quick schemes. If you want a magic button, you're in the wrong place. We are here for day one. The day you decide that your discipline must be stronger than your excuses. Wealth is a game of psychology before it's a game of numbers. Most people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't need, to impress people they don't even like. That is the definition of a liability. The 1% doesn't focus on looking rich. They focus on being wealthy. This means buying assets, things that put money in your pocket, not toys that take it out. We will talk about deep work, the skills of the future like digital branding, sales, and AI leveraging. In the modern era, you don't need permission to build a business. You need a Wi-Fi connection and a monk-like focus. If you aren't growing your skill set every single day, you are becoming obsolete. We are building more than a channel. We are building a community of people who refuse to be average. People who understand that freedom isn't about sitting on a beach doing nothing, but about having the power to choose what you do with your life. If you've listened this far, you are already ahead of 99% of the population. You have the attention span to seek the truth in an era of 5-second distractions. But watching this is only the beginning. The empire is built stone by stone, habit by habit. It's built in the gym at 5 a.m. and in the office at 11 p.m. Subscribe and join the movement. Your future self is counting on you to take the first step today. Don't wait for the perfect time. It's a myth created by the lazy. Tell me in the comments, what is the one thing you are going to change starting tomorrow morning? Let's hold each other accountable. Welcome to the empire. Let's get to work.